So over here on the left side, you can see that I got a bunch of tools, and sometimes what happens is that you may just want to, let's say for example, display out certain tools that you work with. So in that case, you can go around over here onto Custom Toolbar section and then turn on Custom Toolbar. So once you do that, you can go around over here and click on icons and text, and let's say for example, draw right here, and click on see preview, and over here on the left side, you see that there's only the tools that you see. So you can go around onto text, click around over here, and this is what you have. You can go around onto the left side on icons and click on these as well, just like this. And on the left side, you have the draw option that I actually selected as well. So you can go around over here on the three dot icon to see more options, although you only enable the three right here. So you can click on exit preview and turn the custom toolbar off if you want to get back to the regular tool options over here, if you want to display out the regular tools as it is again. So that is how you can use the custom toolbar option inside of Mural. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.